G'day Lawnies, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. Alright, it's the last week of autumn. My autumn's been great. Basically this has been growing in during the autumn and doing really well. The colour's beautiful and it's a super day here today. Alright, today I'm just going to give this a mow. Then I've got a whole heap of unboxing to do, so it's going to be a fun video. Alright, so this is just a mow at 15mm. Didn't really take much off of it. It did get a bit though, and last week I did a root builder at a lower strength, and this week I'm doing a Launch Plus at a lower strength. It's been an interesting week actually. We had 30 during the week, so there has been a bit of growth, and yeah, it's looking really good. It's not really moving a heck of a lot, but you don't really expect that this time of year. There's one more week to go and it is winter. So I'm getting some lining up there. I'm pretty happy. And you might notice that I sort of have cut my area in half. So I do mowing of one half and then I do a little bit of mowing of the little corners there. You can't really see me doing that obviously, but that's how I'm sort of attacking this lawn at the moment. It seems to be the best way. So that was a mow to 15mm. I actually got quite a bit off of it. So it just goes to show what a warm week of weather right at the end of autumn can really boost your growth. Now, last week I put down root builder. This week I'm going to go Launch Plus. So what do we got? A little box here, which looks like the battery. So we get a cone spray by the looks of things. The charger. The main unit seems to come in one. It's nice and easy to hold by the handle. This is the nice little touch there with the solo and the grip there. Oh look, some instructions in here. Instruction booklet. The unit appears very well made, and this is where the battery goes. These are the straps, and it's nice and comfy on the back with the padding. This model holds 10 litres, and it was a bit of a letdown with the markings. They're not very well made out and they're a bit hard to see. Having a look inside, we get an extra nozzle. Unfortunately, we don't get any flat band nozzles, so you'll have to buy them aftermarket. And looking inside, it's nice and easy to mix your chemicals. Alright, now that we've got it going, we're going to have to calibrate it. So we've got to give it a water-only test run. So I put a known amount of water. I've got 60 square metres. We're going to see how much water 60 square metres uses. But first, we're going to have to charge that battery. It took about an hour to charge up the battery, so it really didn't take long at all. I'm not sure how long it will last for though. Now I found this really odd about the battery. It's got these two side clip things, but they don't actually fit into anywhere. As soon as you press the cover up, it works okay, but yeah, it was just a bit odd. It didn't affect the way it operated. So from the time that you turn it on, it takes about 10 odd seconds to get the pressure up, I suppose, and then you can start spraying, and it's a very easy, even spray that you're getting. It's a nice even pressure, so it's really easy to use, and seeing as you're not pumping the whole time, it's definitely less fatiguing, and you can just concentrate more so on your spraying. Seems to work just fine. See, it's only water. So all in all, I thought it was a very good sprayer, especially for the money, and the fact of it being electric and very easy to use, it rates highly. But the battery was a real concern. I've got one here to show you. I hope it comes up on the camera right. It's got these clips on the side and they don't actually go into anything. Why? It's like this battery is meant for a different machine or something. Look, it still works, and it's got the foam on the inside of the flap to cover it up, but yeah, a bit odd. Thank you very much for Dad and Jerry's sending us the sprayer to use and try out. Really enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you. If you want to support Dad and Jerry's, who's also a reseller of Lawnporn, they're on Brighton Road at Brighton. He sells mowers, he sells all sorts of things, and he can also repair and sharpen cylinder blades, so that's pretty good. Thanks, Jerry, you're a real champ. So what do I give this sprayer? I'll have to give it an 8 out of 10. It's a bit of a letdown and a concern about the battery. The fact that it hasn't got flat fan nozzle as an option is just it's a big no-no in my book. So a mark off for the battery and a mark off for the nozzle. 8 out of 10.